Oh, yes, sir.
You hooked now. You're addicted now.
I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here?
Yeah.
Super sport, guy. Super sport.
Feels good, man.
I'm chilling.
I'm like coming down here and I'm like, man, like, I don't know if I'm gonna get robbed or jumped or something,
no.
man. I don't know what's going on. Man, you never
know,
know, bro. You say you never been in one of these, right?
Nope, never been in a... Nah, man.
Nah. Give it a little, hit the gas, man. It's good.
Oh my God.
It's dope, right? Like,
bro,
it's a different feeling when you're in that, man. Like, it's different, bro.
I must have been in a Toyota family, so I never,
You say what?
I'm older in a Toyota family.
Yeah.
So I never experienced anything, high like this. All right. Flat bottom steering. Oh man, this is sick.
So this is the fastest car you've driven so far?
Yeah, the Dodge Challenger I drove, it was basic. It wasn't giving that uff.
Yeah.
So it just felt like a normal car. It handles good, feels good. Steering is nice and heavy.
It just started. You gotta be doing a little bit. Well, I guess you can feel it that early. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Yeah. All right, cool. The light, perfect timing, man. Oh. It's in sport mode right now, so the pedal is like super sensitive.
Yeah, I was like, whoa.
Like,
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, probably should put it in touring mode. Let me put that in touring mode for now, man. What are you trying to do? Like as far as like goals or like life or like?
Right now, I'm just focusing on school. Try to become a state trooper, so I'm working on the police academy.
Oh, okay. Damn, so I shouldn't even be talking about speeding. I mean, get like reported me early to get in, you know? Like, should I be worried? Man? But that's dope though. Why you wanted to be a state trooper though? That's pretty dope.
Technically I want to become an FBI, but I thought, working my way up there. Like right now I'm working as a security, so security, policeman,
Hey, that's smart. You see, you're starting off in things that are related.
Correct.
And I mean, that's what the video, I don't know if you did watch the video I just put out, the one about the road to my dream car
episode 1. Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, I talked about like working in a place that's related to your field, bro. That's like the smartest thing you can do. I mean, there's nothing wrong with like let's say you wanted to like I said, work as a state trooper, and let's say you're working at McDonald's. Nothing necessarily wrong with working at McDonald's, but it's the fact that it doesn't relate to your field. So you're doing that security job. That's a good ass start, man. Yep. That's the way to start.
So now I turn 21, get my gun license, work my way up there.
All right, here we go. You weren't even hitting it hard. You weren't even hitting it hard.
Oh my God. I wasn't even hitting it hard right there. It felt like it. Oh man.
The hardest when it just like suddenly and it like you feel that jerk, That's when it reached a peak,
This is no joke. This car is no joke. Let's go. Oh yes, sir.
You hooked now. You're addicted now.
I'm getting a feel of it. That was easy. That was nice.
That's good. You had 2 hands on the wheel. That's smart.
Of course.
That's smart. I see some people for the first time, man. They try to be cool doing one hand and then Yeah.
Go again. Oh yeah, this car.
Bro, I'm hardly in the passenger seat. So it's like the speed hit's different when you're in the passenger seat.
That's true. That's true.
Whew, ready? All right. I'll do it from a stop. See, it gets sideways. Like I have to let go, else it just. Bro, I really appreciate it, man.
Thanks for the experience, bro.
No problem, man. No problem, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
be safe out there, man. And thank you. I can't thank you enough for watching, man. It's
no problem, man.
It's big.
Hopefully you go far, and I'm gonna still be here, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'll never forget the people that climb with me.
So the dream come true.
I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here?
Yeah.
Super sport, guy. Super sport.
I'd still smoke you on my